We got a Cars and Coffee this morning. It's been a while, haven't really had many to go to. Just getting the E30 ready to go. It's actually been a while. I think the last one I went to was actually in September, and now it's December. So I'm actually looking forward to it. We'll go see who shows up. It's, I think, seasonably a little warm. So hopefully that brings a few more cars out. You know it's serious when he has the rig on the back window. And a nice new Supra. It identifies as a BMW. Made it back home from Cars and Coffee. Pretty good turnout. A lot of American muscle cars there, and then a lot of, you know, their Hondas and your normal kind of car shows or Cars and Coffee cars in the area that we would see. Super pumped to see the E30 M3 there. We've only seen a few other E30s running around, so to see the M3 actually come out was pretty cool. I think there was also like a 3000 GT there that was right-hand drive that looked pretty cool. Altogether, good turnout. Weren't too many old muscle cars. I think there was a 60. I think it was a '68 Camaro that was pretty clean. Correct me if I'm wrong on the year, but yeah, all in all, I think it was a pretty good cars and coffee for, especially for a December event.